Hi, this is Aaron here. Today I am presenting fruitful plan for earning large chunk of money. You can earn money by the cryptocurrency. This plan is in pre-launching till now. You have a golden opportunity for earning in BTC and Ethereum. You will get 100% direct income from here. Here you can earn more than 70,000 in Ethereum within just 60 days, and within 60 days you can earn more than 8,000 BTC. The special thing here is that you do not need to create two separate teams for BTC and Ethereum here. The same team will earn you both here. The system that I am talking about is the name of the system is crowd sharing. The entire system is decentralized, running over a blockchain smart contract. Let's talk now. The crowd sharing company has brought two platforms for us. First is crowd sharing Ethereum platform and second is crowd sharing BTC platform. Friends, you have to create a team structure just once here, but the income that you will get is coming from the same team structure. The first platform that remains is the crowd sharing Ethereum platform, in which you can earn more than 70,000 Ethereum in 70 days, and second is crowd sharing BTC platform, in which you can earn 8,000 BTC within 60 days. Here in one structure 12 level. Once the structure is complete, you can start the same cycle. Now let's see the advantage of crowd sharing Ethereum platform. In this system, no one can interfere to each other, neither is it ever going to stop, because blockchain system will also exit, because it is running over blockchain. This system is mobile friendly as well as user friendly. Wallets used to execute transaction has amazing credibility. One thing which is important, earning are immediately credited into your private wallet. Now we talk about the marketing plan. This plan is genius as well as simple. Join this platform with 0.1 Ethereum. If we talk about the INR, then its value is 2000 or 2200. You can sign up using MetaMask on desktop via Google Chrome, or through the dApps or Trust Wallet or IM Token wallet via mobile phone. Each user ID can be linked only to one wallet address. Share this concept only 2% to join your network and start the duplication for success. After that, you can start earning in Ethereum early. If we talk about business structure, here binary structure, which is 2 by 6. You can't see left side binary structure. Here you have to join only 2 members in your DAO. Each member that has joins the platform can have only 2 members as his front line. Other directly sponsor will be placed below in the following levels on the next available position, moving from left to right. You can join unlimited direct in your DAO. From this person you can gain 100% direct income. Friend, this plan is neither matching income nor binary income. This is binary structure, which is to buy 6. Here should be gold. You have to fill perfect matrix 2 to 6 level. You can sponsor direct according to your wish. Nextly, we talk about the structure matters. If you have joined with 0.1 Ethereum and after that 2% also join in your downline within 0.1 Ethereum by you, then your earning will be 0.2 Ethereum. Now you can upgrade your ID by 0.2 Ethereum in second level. Now I will tell you one thing. In this system, anyone upgrade your ID level 2nd to 12. This upgradation amount is divided into 3 parts. First part, 82% will go to the upline you are upgrading to. As if you are upgrading to the second level, then second upline will be 82%. 15% of the upgradation will go to the direct sponsor if its level is above you, or the level at which you are upgrading in the same level but your direct sponsor is below you and you are upgrading before that. 15% direct income in next level will not go to your direct sponsor. 15% income will go to the direct company. Someone will upgrade at level 2 below, you will get income here. There are 4 people at your level 2nd. You are going to earn 0.164 Ethereum from every person here. Your total earning of 4% is 0.656. You can upgrade your ID 0.5 Ethereum in the 3rd level. As soon as you upgrade, 82% will go to your 3rd upline here, and 15% to your direct sponsor, as it is same as you when in your 3rd downline upgrade your ID with in 0.5 Ethereum, then it's 82% to your, which is gained from 4%. That is the per person income is 0.41 Ethereum and total earning 3.28 Ethereum. Each level works like this, and the 4th level your total income is 39.36 Ethereum, and in the fifth level your total income is 262.40 Ethereum. If I talk about in the sixth level, then your total income is 1574.40 Ethereum, which are approximate in 3 crore. Guys, you can see you can gain unlimited income which are in Indian currency is 3 crore. The system is says if you work 24 hours, if you give 2 joining within 24 hours, as well as you complete duplication process within 14 days, if you complete perfectly this process, then you can gain unlimited earning. Nextly we talk about second phase. In phase second you can gain income. With this structure you have to do work in one time and income gain 2 times. With this team you can gain income of second phase. Second phase will run from level 7 to 12. Phase 1 will be complete level 1 to level 6. After that you will enter in second phase. In the level 7 you do not need making new team. This team will work. Now how will work this team in level 7? First generation will be level 7 and then second generation is level 8. Third generation will be level 9 and fourth level will be level 10 and fifth generation will be level 11 and sixth generation will be level 12. With this structure you can earn more than 70,000 Ethereum. You can see on the chart all earning process are given. In the first level your upgrade your ID within 0.1 Ethereum. After that 0.2 Ethereum, 0.5 Ethereum till the 6th level. Moreover from level 7 to level 12 will be complete phase second. All team will be work and given 2 times earning. You can earn more than 70,000 Ethereum, means that 130 crore you can earn. Guys, this is crowd sharing Ethereum platform. Now we talk about the crowd sharing BTC platform. Your already platform has been created here. This platform will be launching early from 1 July. You have golden opportunity for earning money and working in the system. You have to work only one time and your earning will be 2 times. You have work in the crowd sharing Ethereum, same will be work in the crowd sharing BTC. You do not need of doing work again in the system. From here you can earn unlimited earning like more than 8,000 BTC. You can take benefit from same structure and more income. If I talk about the INR, then 8,000 BTC is more than 600 crore. Both platform are given total income is 740 crore. If you want to join this company, then you can check the description box. If you want to more information about this company, you can call and WhatsApp number are given on the screen. Friends, do not forget subscribe, like and share my channel. Now we meet in the next video with new plan. Take care. Bye bye friends.